Hello viewers, good day to you all. You are welcome to Elkanah tutorial. Elkanah tutorial. And my name is Elkanah. My name is Elkanah. I'm going to be an online master, tutor, or teacher. Today we shall be looking at a subject mathematics. We shall be looking at a subject mathematics. Now, some may say, why mathematics? I would like you to understand that mathematics is a general subject or a course, a general course, because we can make use of mathematics in our day-to-day life. Every day we make use of mathematics. You cannot do without mathematics, because when you are thinking, you are calculating. When you are talking about money, you are calculating. When you are planning, you are what? Calculating. Mathematics is a general course that we make use of every day. We apply it every day. So I believe no matter the discipline you have, this class is going to be a blessing to you. You are going to benefit from it. You can recommend mathematics to your brothers, your sisters, your friends, your loved ones. You can introduce your other ones, this page, this is my Facebook page, so that they can, learn from it. Today we are going to be talking about fraction. Fractions. But before I'm going to introduce fraction to you, I would like to introduce us to a rule called BODMAS. BODMAS. Now, the essence of introducing this rule to you is to make sure that when you are handling problem that has to do with fraction, you can simplify them correctly, because a simple mistake can make you to fail a particular question in fraction. So I will introduce BODMAS to you before we are going to talk about fraction, because fraction is oftentimes combined with arithmetic operations, and BODMAS is an acronym. Each of these letters stands for one of the arithmetic operations in mathematics. So these are some basic things that you need to know before trying to make attempts in solving problems that has to do with fractions in mathematics, because there is a rule that you are going to follow. There is an order in which you can apply in order to solve your fraction problems correctly, even without calculator. So let me quickly introduce what each of these letters stand for here. Now, BODMAS The B here stands for bracket, and bracket can be in this form, comma, can also be in this form, which is coil bracket, and then it can also be in this form. This is a square bracket. Now, what did this O stand for? The O stands for order or off. It can be in this form, comma, in the root form. Now, with our examples, we are going to see how this order is being simplified. And then we have of D, which stands for division. Often represented with this sign or this. And then the next letter is M, which stands for multiplication. Represented with this sign X. And then we have the second to the last letter, which is A, which stands for addition. Often represented with this sign plus. And then we have the last letter, which is an X, which represents subtraction. Represented with this letter minus sign. Now, this is what BODMAS stands for. And before you apply, this is what BODMAS stands for. And then, depending on a particular question given to you, will determine where you are going to start to solve that problem from. So, in trying to solve any problem given to you under fraction, you should have BODMAS in your mind while solving that problem, because you are going to be applying these BODMAS rules. These BODMAS rules. Now, what does this rule say? It said, when you are faced with arithmetic operations, arithmetic problem that has to do with arithmetic operations, you consider the bracket first. If there is any bracket in that equation, you consider it first. And then, after considering that bracket, the next operation you consider is the O, which is the off, or which is the order or off. If you see anything like this in that question, simplify it first. And then we have D, which stands for division. I will consider this first two. If there is any division in that problem or question, simplify that aspect that has to do with the division first. Then the next thing is M, which stands for multiplication. If there is any multiplication in that question, handle that area next. Then the second to the last, which is addition. If there is any addition in that question, you make sure that you simplify that addition first before you move to subtraction. If there is any subtraction in that question, you simplify the subtraction last. So this is the order in which you solve mathematical problem that has to do with more than one arithmetic operation. Now, the arithmetic operations are these signs you are seeing here, like the brackets, the or, the division sign, the multiplication sign, and then the addition sign, the subtraction sign. So these are the arithmetic operations. So in order for you to solve problems under fraction, you should be able to understand the rule of BODMAS. We are going to use it to simplify problems in our next class. So please just have this in mind. I'm going to show you how you are going to use it to simplify problems. Okay, maybe let me just, in our next class, we are going to do that. So have it in mind that after we are done with BODMAS, we are going to be talking about fraction intensively. So I'm going to end the class here, but please, before I go, I'm going to leave this class. I will plead with you to please follow my page, ElkanahTutorials. Please and please follow this page, ElkanahTutorials. Introduce it to your friends, your loved ones, your children. Please introduce to them, because I believe that they are going to learn a lot from here. Please follow my page, like, comment what you think about my videos. Drop it in the comment section so that I will know what to do about it. And then please share my videos so that more people can see them, more people can come across this tutorial and then be blessed by it. So have a lovely day. God bless you. See you in the next class. Bye.